Day in a life of a years old programmer and how I balance it all. Ako nga pala si Reggie, a software developer by day, a full-time husband, 24/7 dad, and just like the rest of us, still debugging life one day at a time. Lately, lagi na akong late gumigising kasi ang hirap ko na makatulog sa gabi. Alam mo yung tipong pagod ka na pero ayaw pa rin mag-shutdown ng utak mo. Anyway, ayun, late na naman ako nagising today. Yung mag-ina ko nasa baba na. Usually, si Lucas ang late gumising. Kaya may isa sa amin ni Mami na laging naiiwan, naghihintay sa kanya. So, bumaba na ako. Ayun, si Lucas chill sa sofa, naghihintay ng milk niya.
Let's play!
After that, konting laro muna kasi maya-maya start na lang work ko. It's 7:30 now, make a quick coffee, pampainit, pampagising, at para kahit papano may energy tayong ipon bago mag-code. Fast forward a bit, after a little playtime, lumabas muna kami sandali. Quick tour lang sa basketball court. Simple joys, pero ito yung mga moment na gusto mong i-freeze eh. Pagbalik namin sa bahay, almost work time na, pumunta na ako sa room, aka my home office, fire up my laptop, and the coding begins. From time to time, kapag may spare moment ako, bumababa ako to play with Lucas. Kasi syempre, may ginagawa din si Mami. Teamwork yan, pag hindi busy. By 12 noon, break time, sabay kaming kumakain habang nanonood ng movie while si Lucas tulog sa taas. Then, back to work again by 1 p.m. Work mode on, headphones and typing marathon naman. Until finally, 6:30 p.m. out time. Kung walang urgent na tatapusin, it's family time again. Dinner, kwentuhan. Minsan we go out, minsan we order in lang. And that's my day. Simple, chill, routine na parang paulit-ulit. Pero alam mo, kahit ganon, I wouldn't trade it for anything. May mga araw na puro overtime, bug reports at deadlines. Pero may mga sandaling bawi. Yung yakap ni Lucas, yung simpleng hi daddy habang nagtatrabaho ako. Doon ko naalala kung bakit ko ginagawa lahat ng to. So yeah, work, family, coding, repeat. Not perfect, not always smooth, but that's my kind of balance. Because at the end of the day, kahit life may mga bugs din, we just keep debugging one day at a time.